Nail drill is offered in a wide variety, each with unique features, benefits, and prices. I did a large amount of research, reviewed a ton of reviews, and put up the top nail drill from trustworthy brands to assist you in making a decision. After extensive investigation, I discovered these goods to benefit people like you. If you're curious to learn more about the price and other information, be sure to read my description. Without further ado, let's watch the video. Saviland electric nail drill is the best electric nail. Let's go to see the description and benefits of these goods. Saviland electric nail drill kit comes with 11 metal bits, 1 ceramic corn bit and 56 sanding bands. Plus up to 40,000 speeds can help you quickly remove all kinds of manicures, such as gel nails, acrylic nails, dip powder nails, nail tips and other long nails. What's more, Saviland nail drill can be used to remove cuticles/dead skin/calluses, allowing you to get professional manicures and pedicures at home. It is made of high-quality materials, and it is very textured by hand. The gradient design of pink and blue makes the nail drill look more beautiful and more advanced. Low noise, low vibration, low heat treatment, and thoughtful cooling vent design make it more comfortable and safe to use. The Saviland electric nail drill has a built-in 2600 mAh battery capacity. It can be fully charged in 4 hours, and in the case of a full charge, it can be used for 10 to 12 hours. And comes with an upgraded Type-C interface cable, which can be connected to any Type-C socket, such as power bank, laptop, AC adapter, etc. Carefully equipped with a smart LCD screen, it can clearly display the steering, speed, and power. It can control the switch and speed by twisting the knob, and it is easy and simple to control with one button control. In addition, there are pause buttons and steering control buttons next to the main unit of the nail drill, which can pause the operation at any time and change the steering as needed. It can be easily mastered regardless of whether your dominant hand is left or right. Happy shopping!